Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Capricorn, it's Sai. This is January bi-weekly reading and this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see Capricorn, what are the messages and what's going on. So Capricorn, what are the messages for Capricorn? Capricorn, what are the messages for Capricorn? So let's see a first card, Four of Swords. Six of Cups and Knight of Swords. Chariot, Justice, Page of Swords. Lot of air energy. You or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Page of Pentacles. I don't read reverse cards, that's why. So yeah. So under the deck, 10 of Pentacles. What I'm getting here, definitely you are concentrating on your career. You are getting financial stability. If not right now, in near future, definitely you will get financial stability. And in relationship wise also, you will get stability. Okay. For some, your person approaching for you to offer stability also. So let's say you're reading in recent past. Six of Cups, Knight of Swords, Four of Swords. Maybe you are not talking to your person in recent past, but they are rushing towards you to contact you because they want reconciliation. Six of Cups with the Knight of Swords. Definitely they want reconciliation. For some, your person is already approached you. If not, definitely they will be because they are rushing towards you and they want reconciliation with you. But you are undergoing some healing process. For some, you are doing meditation but thinking about them a lot. So right now what is going? The Chariot, Justice and Page of Swords. Yeah, definitely some communication, some spying is going between you and your person. Your person may be spying on you on social media. Yeah, they are coming back to you. But very slow moving energy here the Chariot is. But still there is some movement. And Justice, maybe you cut them off. Or for some, there are some disturbances happen between both of you. That's why the separation is happened. There is no contact or less contact between both of you. And Justice, you stand by your power. Yeah. But communication is coming in your way. And in near future energies, the Moon, Four of Cups and Page of Pentacles. An apology is coming in your way. Your person want to send some apology message to you. Yeah. Maybe some children's also involved in this connection. And maybe they are feeling sad for the missed opportunity with you. It could be you or your person. I think it's your person what I'm getting here. And the Moon. Yeah. Some secrets hidden in this connection. Maybe you hiding something from your person or your person may be hiding something from you. There is something mysterious in this connection. Some illusions between you and your person. But one person feeling sad for the missed opportunity with the other person. Yeah. Some spying communication is coming. So the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Cancer, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Yeah, Libra especially. So let's see your person current feelings and their near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going on between you and your person. Under the deck, Nine of Cups. Definitely they wishing for this connection. Two cards. That's why I'm not taking. So first we will see your person current feelings. Capricorn. Communication, Eight of Wands, Four of Swords. Yeah, there is no... You both are on the same page what I'm getting here. And King of Wands. Yeah. Under the deck, Leo. Maybe your person also very strong personality. Maybe they stand at their power. They are also very grounded in energy wise. Maybe they are also financially stable. Yeah. They also stand by their power what I'm getting here. So the person involved in this connection could be Leo, fire sign, strong fire sign. Yeah, King of Wands. There is a lot of attraction between both of you guys. And Eight of Wands. They want to communicate with you. Definitely lots of communication is coming in your way. They're willing to communicate with you. Right now, your person and you are in no contact situation. Four of Swords energy. Yeah, they're thinking about how to communicate with you. They're undergoing some healing process because for some your person have some past hurts also. That's why they're undergoing some healing. Later, definitely they are willing to communicate with you and your person also stand by their power. Maybe you both have some ego problems also between both of you. So let's see your person near future actions towards you, Capricorn. Yeah, communication is the key here, guys, because under the deck again 6 of cups, they really want to reconciliation. If you are in separation, if you are not in separation, they want to take this relationship to next level, and you both have strong soulmate and past life connection with each other. And the Wheel of Fortune, 4 of Pentacle, Princess of Swords, they are going to be express their true feelings. Yeah, they are going to be reveal their true feelings, because here 4 of Pentacles in straight. Definitely in past maybe your person having hard time to express their feelings, but now they are going to be express their true feelings to you, and yeah, they are definitely waiting for the right time to come. In divine timing it will be done. And Princess of Swords, definitely spying. They may be spying on you on social media, and they want to test the waters before coming towards you. Yeah, lots of communication. I think communication is the key here, guys. So the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's see. Let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and outcome. Lots of cards. What's going? Lot of cards. Capricorn. Wait a minute, 2 cards. Judgment and 10 of Cups. 2 cards fell down. Okay. Maybe they are going to be make decision, some major decisions, and they really want to offer 10 of Cups happiness to you. Those 2 cards are... So let's see. Sorry guys for the inconvenience. Capricorn. Yeah, they're missing you so much. They're missing you badly. Page of Pentacles, again some apology. Definitely they are going to be apologize you and say apology to you. Definitely they are missing you so much, thinking about you a lot. Literally they are undergoing some trauma moment, Capricorn. Maybe for some 10 of Cups, yeah. There will be reconciliation if you let them in. Definitely they want you back. There is a lot of communication is coming in your way. Then it's up to you what to do. And the Sun, for some, one person in this connection could have children with other person. Maybe they already married, they have kids for some. For some, definitely it is going to be reunion between you and your person. You still want rebirth in this connection, Capricorn. 10 of Swords means rebirth. You are also feeling sad without them. And 10 of Cups. Definitely you want this happiness with your person. Yeah. So there are lots of communication. They're going to be relieve their true feelings to you. So let's see your overall energy, Capricorn. See, already told you lots of communication is coming in your way. You are also feeling overburdened due to work pressure or family responsibilities, or could be anything reason. 7 of Cups and 5 of Swords. Yes, definitely there are some disturbances between both of you. Your person maybe backstabbed you, cheated on you, lied to you. Yeah, you are also fantasizing about a lot. Maybe for some you have options too. The person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Lot of fire energy. Let's see your person overall energy. Right. Today the cards. 5 of Swords, you both got same card. Definitely there are some disturbances. Communication, clarity is coming. Yeah, your person want brand new beginnings with you. They want to take leap of faith. Yeah, they're thinking about you a lot. And this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. Yeah. Yeah, they're thinking about you a lot, day and night. Yeah, they want brand new beginnings, getting community, clarity, communication. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you. same card is coming again and again. I think it's all about prosperity. Yeah, prosperity lies ahead. I think Pisces got same card, Sagittarius got, I think Sagittarius or Gemini got same card. Yeah, definitely you are getting financial abundance in near future. You are creating more and more money you will be creating more and more money. You will receive more money in near future because prosperity lies ahead. This is the message from universe. Especially when new moon in Taurus, you will get more abundance. So this is the reading for you, Capricorn. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.